Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pargy Tech. So today I have an exciting unboxing, but before I get into this unboxing, this item here is really hard to get. Alright, and if you want to get it, I'm gonna explain that to you right now. I've been trying since, was it last year, November or December, around that time, and now it's August. That was November and December 2020. Now it's August 2021, so we're not far away from a year searching. All right, so I've been checking websites, checking the stores online and everything. Nothing's in stock, so I decided to figure out how does everyone get it. I guess you probably all know what it is. Okay, it is a PS5, and if you guys are out looking for one of these and you can't get one, I guarantee just follow these guys that I'm gonna link down below and you'll get one. Okay, I've just started following these guys for a week and I was able to get one of them. So let's get into the unboxing. Come closer. All right, let's see if everything's in here. All right. A lot of these bubble wraps. There we go. And here is the giant right here. This is it, guys. PS5. This is it. So I was lucky enough to get this on the first try when I got the notification, but it took me a lot. I had to add this to the cart 15 times, guys, in order to get this PS5. So if you're trying to get one, you gotta be persistent and you gotta be quick, because I added this to the cart 16 times before I was able to check this out, because it kept taking it from my cart. All right, I get also 2 games that comes with it. You got Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, that's the name of this game, and I also got the latest Spider-Man Miles Morales as well, and a PS5 controller, a separate controller with this. Okay, so what is this? This is a like return label or something, or the number. Yeah, it has the unique prices and everything on here and the order number. So yep, but I'm gonna try and see if I could return this and this. If I'm successful, I'll give you an update. Okay, but for now I'm not gonna open this as yet. All right, I have a few decisions to make, and then I'll give you an update on that, because I know they're probably gonna have drops this week according to the guys on Twitter. So I'm gonna try do what I gotta do, and then I'll make a decision if I gotta keep this or return. All right, so stay tuned for that update. Peace.